So we are working now on the full arch upper and lower CHROME GuidedSmile case. So it's very important to get all of the information and records from the dentist as accurate as possible. That's very crucial because that's our starting point to design the new smile for the patient. And right now, after receiving the impressions from the dentist, we scan the models into the lab scanner. So obviously we bring the models into the CAD software. Once I've got my STLs, what I try to do, I try to load the patient face photo, and I've aligned my models with the situation in the photo. The next stage is to produce the GC trains. GC trains are like printed partial dentures, and they are mostly for record the bite and confirm if the bite is correct. And that is very critical in this case because that's our starting point. And we can't really afford to have mistake with the correct bite. So in this case, after consultation with the dentist, we know that this contact point here is a very nice reference point for us, and that's what we try to achieve. Let me just show you. So once I've designed my GC train, we print it, and dentist will place the device in the mouth to re-record the bite. And if we are happy with the bite, we can proceed with the smile design. So first stage with the smile design will be to bring the correct bite which we recorded before, and we will extract virtually the teeth in the CAD software, implement the pictures, and according to the pictures, we will design the smile for the patient. Photograph is very important for us because is a good guidance for us for the midline position, smile line, occlusal plane. So accurate photograph is a very important data which we need to receive from the dentist, from the surgeon. This smile design will be a base for surgical guide design and for the placement of the implant.